I'd like to allude to the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, where he said the people of the book got divided into 72 sects. He said, my ummah, my people will get divided into 73. He said 72 of them would be finnar, they would be in the fire, and except for one. Now how do we tell? Everyone's saying we're the true ones, everyone else is false. In 1973, the World Islamic Congress, they met in Saudi Arabia, they declared all together, and all the different Muslim sects are represented there, that the Islam-Ahmadiyyat is a non-Muslim Jamaat. They pressurized Pakistan to do the same. And they said that apart from the Qadianis, all of the sects, the 72 sects of Islam that are recognized as Muslims, yes, they are the ones who are Islam, and the Qadianis are not in Islam, and the whole Ummah must take notice of this. And they said that all of them, the Sunnis, the Shias, the Sufis, they named them all. Now suddenly we see 72 going on one side and one on the other. And for nothing we did, we didn't do anything about it, they did it. Yeah. So they themselves moved to one side, and the prophecy became true. They say that 72 of us are all Muslim, alhamdulillah. They forget all their differences. And we can come to the differences like you said, but I mean that's very long in itself. For example, many of them believe that you can be possessed by jinns and you have to be exorcised. They're calling us to that.
Definitely.
Some of them think you can go and contract a marriage for 1 hour and then break the marriage, and then you can go for another one the next day. They're calling us to that. They're saying that 10 or 50 or 100 or 500 verses of the Quran don't apply anymore, they're abrogated. They're calling us to that. And all kinds of things like the dancing and the music, the worshippers with, whirling dervishes and all that. They're calling us to that. They're saying, all this is Islam. If you come in this, doesn't matter what you do, it's okay. Just don't believe in Mirza Ghulam Ahmad of Qadian al-Islam. And then you'll be a Muslim. Just believe that Jesus is going to come again, and alhamdulillah, you can do anything you want.
Everything else is fine.
You can pray on graves, you can do anything you want. But you see, the prophecy came true.
Definitely.
And so now this is a sign for those who believe in the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. They say all 72 are right and one is wrong. He said 72 are wrong and one is right.
One is right, exactly.
So who is right?